watching this video. So today the video will not be lengthy at all. We just want to show ourselves some features of SAP. I'm sure a financial accounting guys, we all are aware of posting closing period. We are aware of closing period in SAP. And how do we close period in SAP? So use OB52 close period, right? OB52 is equal to post period. So let's quickly see some of the features that we have now. Then, so this is OB52 environment, right? It's OB52 environment. So the point I'm trying to make here is that we can schedule a program, right? We can create a program. We can schedule a program that at every month end, the system automatically just update itself instead of coming to the screen to just come and update it. That's the point we are trying to make, right? So what do we do? Can you see this is a posting period? This is what we have here. We have, and I'm sure you understand what the screen is saying. In order not to make this video lengthy, I'll just say few things around the screen. So we have asset, we have customer, we have vendor, we have material master, we have GL, and this is variant for all, right? And you see, this is the structure we're saying 2023 to January, this period, January, this year, this period, December. That's what all of this thing is. I'll just briefly. So let's quickly go to what we want to demonstrate in this on this video. So we go to SC38. So, in a most likely, most business will not give you this program T code, this SC38. They will not give you this T code, but you can schedule it. There's a way you can go about it by inserting this program name. The program name is RF0B5200. RF0B5200. This is the program name. Now let's execute. Your business person or your ABA person can help you, assist you on how to go about ensuring that this job or whatever activity is performed. This is just a workaround and the features to ensure that user doesn't go and edit or whatever in the system. So let's go click on execute. Now this is the screen. This is the screen where you perform that magic, right? So you indicate the posting period variant. We just use IBS now as one of the posting period variant that we have. So you can indicate the account type here. Let's say A. Let's say A in this case. That's asset. That's asset. You can indicate A to whatever variant or account type you want to use. You can indicate them, and you can also. But in this case, we don't usually put a particular what do you call it GLs. So the period. So you can see a radio button called change and close. If you want to close, you click on close. If you want to change, you click on change. In this case, let's just test on change. So period. Let me say period one. Let me say 12. Let me say 2026. Let me say 2026. And then I'll use 12, which is January. I'll just open all of the period and then 2026. So this is the environment. We have period one, we have period two, and I'm not here to explain what these things does, right? I'll just quickly go ahead and do the same thing for this 2026, and then 2025, and then 2026. Sorry, 2026. 12 and 2026. So we are changing it. We are changing it. So on this screen now, what you have maintained this thing. You can maintain it from here, right? I will demonstrate everything to you. We'll maintain for here, and then you can go back to remove the test run, right? You remove the test run, and if you have a authorization group or whatever, you can indicate it here. I'm sure some of you already understand this authorization group, so you can check this and then execute, or don't execute from here. You can go to the top ribbon, uh, come to program, and then click on execute. So when we execute, this is what happens. You see, it has updated the screen. AIBS AZ 2026, 1st January 2026, 2026 year 12, whatever. So let's quickly go to B52 to see what we have done. So the variant is IBS, posting period variant, and then you see we just did for A, which is assets. You can see 1st of January 2026, 12, 2026, 1, 2026. I'm sure you understand this. Initially, it wasn't 2026 that was there. So this is a way to modify this screen, right? Now, main point now, the main point, let's quickly go that. I just want to show you this first so that we'll go to the main point. SC38, right? So let's go to SC38 again. Now the program is here. Let's execute. So upon executing now, let's assume we want to schedule a program. We want to create a program that automatically updates itself. That's what we want to do now. You can put debit, the what do you call it? Sorry, customer. You can put customer, and then let's put period, our year, and then 12, and then 2026, and then we can also do for second period, do for this as well. Okay, okay, fine. I'll just leave for this. Now you go down and just remove the what do you call it? Remove the test run, remove the test run, remove the test run, and then instead of executing directly, like updating the screen directly, now we want to schedule the program. Now, what you do now is to set execute in background, right? When you click on execute in the background, and you can just use the default, what do you call it, print, SAP print output. So output device, that's it. You can say date and time. Yeah, you indicate date and time you want this program to get executed. So the moment you put your date and time, just click on, sorry, just continue, and then you see your date and time has come up. So you can indicate the date that you want this activity to perform, right? So you can indicate, like, I'm sure you understand what I'm saying. For example, we're in the month of January now. We're in the month of January. You can indicate your month. Just you are saying in so, let's say 31st of January, or let's say April 2026, for example. So you select, let's say 30th of April. You're saying 30/04 2026, right? Sorry, 2026, that you want this activity to happen. That's what you are doing. You are scheduling this program to say by month 30 April 2026, this program. At what time? This is the date, and at what time? You can say 12 o'clock in midnight, you can say 1 a.m., you can indicate whatever, right? And you can just go ahead and do this. Continue. And then it will tell you immediately or after a job or whatever. You understand? You can also indicate day and time again. You can indicate time, day and time again. Yeah, schedule start date, no start date. You can you can perform these things. You can research around this. The point I'm just trying to make is to get you to understand that SAP has the features that you can you can schedule a program, right? You can schedule a program, and then it will. Do you understand? So I'll just click on immediately, and then just to demonstrate this whole activity, right? This screen is too big, so let me reduce. So sorry, my god, trying to reduce this. Sorry. Ash. Okay, fine, let me just go up and so show you what I'm trying to. Oh my god, screen is somehow. Oh my god. Okay, there is something. I'm sure you are seeing save here, right? So you can just click on save, and then you can see background job was scheduled for program. This background job has been scheduled. Now, how do you go to your background job? You can use the code SM37, right? You can go to the T code SM37. So there's a name for your particular background job. So we have scheduled it, so you can execute, and then you can see this is the, what do you call it? This is the program name, the job name, right? This is the job name. So you can use this SM37 to now further the activities or the operation. I don't want to wait this 8 minutes on the video already, so I think this is okay. So thank you. I think just research around it. The point exactly I'm trying to make is to let you know that there's a program that can help you to schedule closing period activity, and this is it. RF0B200. That's all. So thank you very much, and bye.